Okay, we've now mixed up our grout with our special adhesive that we're using. This is the Ultra Bond. So this is going to give us a nice base so we can put in the middle of our little heart here. So I've mixed it up so it's quite a nice thick paste. I've just added a little bit at a time. That's makes it a lot easier to do instead of mixing up too much and making it too watery. So just a little bit at a time, and you want it sort of a nice sort of thick consistency. Right, so we're going to put that into here. So I want to just flatten it down as much as I can and get it into the corners. So you can sort of use your finger to brush it in if you need to. Just clean off the top of the tiles. Right, so it's basically just making a base so we can now embed our little petals and leaves that we've got. What I've done with the petals and the leaves is I've actually prepared them before, so I've had them all cut, grinded, and I've just softened the edges of some of them so they've got a nice little rounded top and a pointy end, which is going to be what we'll put into the cement. Right, so that's probably right. Now we'll start putting in our first layer, which is just going to be some of the leaves. So you want to just sort of push them in, make sure that it's covered enough. We're going to get a smaller one down the back. So you want to just kind of have it covering as much of this adhesive as you can, so have them quite close together. We'll start off that next row. Just remembering to mix your big ones with your smaller ones. Now, there's about a 72-hour drying time with this adhesive, so don't be tempted to kind of wiggle a few things around when you're finished it, which is quite tempting. Oh, we might start putting some nice colour in now. I think that's enough of the green. So I'm using, I've got some pink ones. I've also got some little shimmer colour ones that I've done as well, which are quite nice. Just pop those in there. Now we'll start coming around here so we can hopefully get a little bit more of a centre for the flower. Put that in there, it's better. Now I've got these little tiny ones in here. I'm just going to put in slightly. These are just the leftover ones that I've chopped off on them when I've taken the little points off the petals. I'm going to pop those in there. You can actually embed anything you like. You've got any little beads you could put in there. I wonder if I might put a little centre in there. So the idea is keep filling up all that adhesive. Might just take a little bit out here. Cutting little shards of glass now just to fill up those bits of adhesive that are showing through. thread a nice bit of ribbon in there, and that could be a nice little wall hanging. You can, you know, fiddle around and put more bits and pieces in. It just sort of depends how full you want it to look. But we'll let that dry nicely.